just got the TouchJet Wave. It turned my TV into a smart touchscreen that can do pretty much anything. Bam! Stream any movie. You can download any app from the Google Play right onto the Wave. You can check sports, news, social media, listen to music, search for things, learn stuff, control your home, and play all your favorite games, only much bigger and better.
We're going to take a look at the Spectre project next.
People in our office love it. It gets them out of their chairs, collaborating like never before.
Windows to the south side of
The Wave also has a mobile app.
It's a great idea. Amy, can we pull up the window tree?
You can swipe files, photos, and videos from your handheld device right to the TV. No need to sweat compatibility issues. Any Android or Apple device will do. It's super easy to use and gets kids playing together in a whole new way.
I think it's Uncle Andy's turn. I think your parents want you to play something a little more educational anyway.
Navigate right from your phone. You'll be amazed at how quickly it changes your world. Friends, office, family, the TouchJet Wave brings people together in any situation.
Hi, we are TouchJet. About a year ago, we crowdfunded the world's first touchscreen projector. We're happy to say that we've already shipped thousands of units all over the world to backers just like you. Now, we're back to crowdfund TouchJet Wave, the ultimate entertainment device that turns your television into a touchscreen smart TV. Pre-order yours now and be one of the first to bring TouchJet Wave home.
Let me ask you something. How many times have you put down a cold can of soda or an iced coffee, then forgot about it? The drink you come back to is now lukewarm. What are you going to do? Miserably drink it? Throw it out? It blew my mind that the only way to keep a drink cold was to use a refrigerator. It's a dumb problem, a lazy one at that, but I know I'm not preaching to an empty choir. I think I've got something that can fix our problem, and I'm calling it the Drink Induction Chiller. No longer will we have to deal with melted ice and lukewarm soda. Let me introduce you to my one-of-a-kind, patent-pending invention. I wanted to build something that was incredibly simple, but something extraordinarily good at its task. It needed to fit on a desk and look modern on a nightstand. It doesn't stand out, it doesn't connect to your phone or collect your data. It makes your drink cold, and it keeps it cold. Will it change your life? Probably not. But is it worth the small investment to have a refreshing cold glass of water in your nightstand every morning and to not have to dump out iced drinks? I think so. Glass cup, can of soda, or an iced coffee, no matter what you drink, this can keep it cold. We custom designed all our prototypes from the ground up to get to a unit that I felt comfortable leaving in my bedroom. We decided to use thermoelectric cooling, a proven technology that requires minimal moving parts while producing a high output freezer. Today, we have a final product and have begun the tooling and manufacturing process. This is a real product that will be manufactured by top-notch suppliers so that we can get it delivered to you as soon as possible. If you believe in simplicity, want a product that can do exactly what it's designed to do, and enjoy a cold drink, then I hope you'll consider supporting the Drink Induction Chiller.
Yo, y'all trip, y'all wow. Y'all put music in freaking sunglasses now? So I can call my mom. Yo, what's up? Yo, can you hear me? Yo, this is lit, nah.
That's insane.
Oh my god! We're like in our own party right now.
Like, how did you think of this? This is like made for me.
Can you hear mine?
No. So my Bluetooth is connected. It's playing music. I can hear it in my head.
This is SoundRay. Listen to music and take phone calls with your sunglasses.
No matter what, if you knock me down, I'ma get on up. Top speed when you hit the ground.
Whoa, like, how do I order?
This is Airblock, a one-of-a-kind, programmable, transformable drone and hovercraft. Think you've seen a drone like this? Think again. Airblock is unlike any drone you've seen before. Start with individual magnetic pieces, and 15 seconds later, you have a drone. Control the drone through the app via Bluetooth and take to the sky in no time. Airblock is amazing, not just because it's entertaining, but also because it's educational. It teaches kids, and big kids, about coding and aerodynamics. Use pre-programmed maneuvers within the app. Just drag and drop into action. Airblock caters to every type of drone pilot. Want to try your own moves? Program your own aerial stunts right in the app. Have some cool ideas of your own? Airblock allows you to DIY so you can build your very own creation from scratch. With Airblock, you're not just constrained to the air. Take to the land or sea by transforming your drone into a hovercraft and hover over smooth ground or even over water. Rookie killing your vibe and your drone? Totally fine. Airblock is tough, so you can fly and bump into obstacles without fear. The engineered plastic foam makes Airblock durable, so it's safe to fly indoors or out. Snap into action and keep flying. So who's behind this awesome product? We are. And who are we? MakeBlock. We've launched and shipped 4 products on Kickstarter and have grown from just 3 people to a team of 200 people today. We've got 400,000 users and still growing. In the past 4 years, we've established ourselves as the company that encourages STEM-based education through our DIY robotics and products. We're passionate about bringing DIY robotics and STEM-based programming and education to folks like you. We need your help to get Airblock off the ground. So back to the point. You want a programmable, transformable, crashable drone? We'll make it easy for you. Back our Kickstarter campaign. And the best part? It's affordable. Because let's face it, everyone should have Airblock. Support the cause and get your own. Airblock. Code to fly. Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the Bosma Aegis, a new smart home door lock, which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The Bosma Aegis is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the Bosma Sentry Snap-on fingerprint scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver. The Bosma Aegis is made specifically for the standard US deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind. Bosma, simply better.
A new generation of creativity calls for a new generation of drones. We spent countless hours restructuring the technology, testing, innovating, shifting from old designs to new designs. We've worked hard in the shadows to bring a new experience to light. Introducing GDU-02, a new portable drone built for everyone. Capturing incredible aerial footage is now even easier than you think. Thanks to GDU, there's now a drone made for everyone that is easier to fly, more portable, and more advanced. We've packed a lot of technology into a small design so you can capture big moments. Our advanced modular design allows it to be portable. The O2 is travel-friendly and lightweight. In fact, you can fit it in your backpack or any small case, all while protecting the controller, motors, and props. Our unique slide arm technology allows you to unfold the drone in seconds and take it to the air anywhere at any time. But don't let its small size fool you, because it still packs a powerful punch. O2 comes with one of the world's tiniest size 3-axis stabilized camera gimbals that records 4K footage. This means you'll be able to capture the most amazing aerial videos without having to lug around larger drones or support equipment. With GPS and GLONASS dual mode location system, O2 can connect up to 20 satellites fast. And combined with its advanced visual positioning system, you'll never have to worry about losing control wherever you go. Its binocular obstacle avoidance system can detect obstacles in its path and avoid collisions whenever and wherever you need it to. The onboard Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor is designed to support sharper image capture, faster processing, better battery life, and more advanced connectivity that extends image transmission up to 4 miles. O2 is incredibly smart. This way you can focus on the important things, like smiling in your perfect shot. O2 comes with 3 different burst modes, which allows you to capture your best moments from different angles. Vertical burst, horizontal burst, and 5 times zooming burst. You can create 10-second video clips in 3 different patterns: droney, circle, and rocket, just by a simple click. Our visual recognition technology allows the drone to follow you automatically and take selfies through a simple V-shaped gesture. O2 is the first drone that comes with time-lapse and slow-motion functions that require no additional editing. O2 also comes with a smarter return to home and landing feature just in case you need it. Using the foldable remote is easy, or you can use your smartphone as a virtual controller. The GDU Mini app allows you to control the drone easily, perform all smart modes, and share your great moments instantly through your community or social media. Being creative with the O2 is as easy as pointing and shooting. We built this drone so anyone can focus on living in life's moments and being able to capture those moments forever. Behind every video or photo is a story. Wherever and whenever you need it, there's an O2 to unfold your creativity. GDU O2. Everyone, everywhere, anytime.